Hey guys, it's me Harshan. Welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. It's Christmas time, so I thought of making a cupcake which decoration will be Christmas related. So what I am making today are wreath cupcakes. For that, what I have already done is I have made my vanilla cupcake batter and I have made about 6 to 9 cupcakes out of them. You can make as much as you like. Once they have been baked and cooled down, I have also leveled the top by using a serrated knife, and this will just help me to make a better decoration. Without any further ado, let's start making these Christmas themed wreath cupcakes. For decorating, you will need these colors in piping bags. I have taken 2 piping bags with red color. One is having a small rose petal tip and one is having a small round tip. You will also need one small round tip with yellow color in it, along with a green colored icing bag with a small leaf piping tip and a large round tip with white icing. You can also use some other kind like a light brown, but I would suggest white because it will look the best. Now let's start decorating our cupcakes. So here I have taken a vanilla cupcake which I have already made and I have leveled the top so that it is easier for decoration. So our first step will be to use a white icing and make a base for our wreaths. Once we have done that, now use an offset spatula to smooth the whipped cream. That's fine as well. Now we will start making our wreath. So for that, take your small leaf piping tip filled bag and start making leaves in a circular motion. So once you have made your leaves, now it is time to decorate your wreath. So take the small round piping tip bags and just make a few dots here and there. And now with the help of the small petal piping tip, we will make a bow on any side. And now similarly we will continue making our cupcakes. And that was my simple decoration of Wreath Cupcakes. If you want, you can also make a pull apart cupcake, by which you can actually make a whole cake with using just cupcakes. It looks also nice, but I preferred this decoration. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Merry Christmas you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.